Today we're going to break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word debt in English. The pronunciation guidance from the Cambridge Online Dictionary shows that this word has just one syllable, and it's pronounced debt. Let's break it down into the individual sounds. It starts with the voiced d, that's d. Then we have the short e vowel, that's e. And it finishes with the unvoiced t sound. So no vibrating the throat, it's t. So if we put all the sounds back together, we have debt. Repeat after me, debt. And hopefully you noticed that we don't pronounce the letter B in this word. It is a silent letter in debt, so make sure not to pronounce that B. So now you know how to pronounce debt in English. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments, and if you found that useful, hit the like button. Thanks for watching and have a great day.